Welcome back and thank you for tuning in to my video. We are doing a crochet protective hairstyle. Yes, I have my natural hair braided down up under this weave because I need my hair to grow. And for me, I know that my hair grows the most when I keep my hands out of it. It's 2.5 packs of Freetress Water Wave. I bought them off samsbeauty.com. I will put the link down in the description box. Once you pull the hair out of the pack, I went ahead and grabbed one of the tracks and I cut it in half. And as you'll see, when you cut it in half, there's like a straight piece on the curly hair. I just went ahead and cut that off. And then from there, I just pulled the pieces where they naturally wanted to separate. And then I started crocheting them in my head. To crochet it, you want to stick the needle through your braid. Then once it's through your braid, you want to latch the hair onto the needle and make sure that you close the latch. After the latch is closed, you want to pull it all the way through and then unlatch the hair. After that, you can tie it maybe 3 to 4 times to make sure that it doesn't unravel.
What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me your problem. I said a lot, girl, can't be with mine. Always been on my head, I feel. I said a lot, so one night of time, shit. Can't waste any time now. Can't waste any time now. What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me the problem. I said a lot, girl, you can't be with mine. Always been on one end, I feel. I saw the lines, so run out of time, shit. Can't waste any time now. Can't waste any time now.
This is the final look, and I forgot to mention that I did leave a little bit of my hair out around the edges. I can't tell y'all how many people thought this was my real hair everywhere I went, and I love it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the button in the bottom of this video because there will be more videos like this coming soon.
I can't tell what happened last night. Did I act right?